Hello, class. Today we will be using an online app called Quick Diagram. And this is a tool for generating diagrams and flowcharts. And it is also a great tool to be creative, and you can draw, you can color, you can do a lot of other things. But today we will be using it for our social studies unit, and we are creating a map of our hometown. The importance of this lesson is to get y'all familiar with y'all's town that y'all live in, and the different areas, the different places by our school. So anyways, you will access this app on y'all's iPads, and when you get here, you will click try it out. So you'll click that, and then it will automatically take you to a blank canvas. Right now, I have our school already, drawn up, and some important roads that I have here. But y'all can take your time and just, copy this down. We have our school, we have the apartments that we live that are right by our school, and then these important roads. And then once y'all are done with that, then we can move on. But this also will get you familiar with distance, signs, symbols, and landmarks. So that is very important. Okay, so we have our school drawn up, and then our apartments, and then we will finish drawing this road right here, and then we have sorry, my buildings don't look the best, but that's okay. We have a gas station right here. And that is where you get your gas for your cars. So we have that. And then if you go down this windy road, we have the lake. So I'm drawing some water. And then we also have a park right here. This is like a pavilion that you can go into. And then we have like a playscape and slides and stuff, whatever. I know it doesn't look like that, but it's okay. So this is our park. Oh, also you can click right here, and you can click like this, and that will allow you to type anything that you want. So I just typed park right here. Okay. And then you click right here to draw again. And so if you leave the park and by our school, we have, let me see, that's like our road. We have our stoplight. Sorry guys, this does not look the best, but we have our stoplight, and then if you go further down, you have a church building. Whoops. Okay. So you can type. Whoops. Click and type. And you can type church. Okay. And then let's see, are we missing anything else? Oh, our library. So, if you leave the church, and it's kind of like behind the school a little bit. So this is the road behind the school, or behind the church, and behind the school. We have our library. It's our public library, and it's awesome. So we'll type that right here. We'll type public library. Oh, that's okay. If you misspell something, you can always fix it. There you go. And that is our map so far. And feel free to add, anything you want. You can add your house if you know, like which road, where it is. You can add your house, your friend's house, whatever you'd like. So, thank you guys for listening.